So here's a system of linear equations, and they want us to find both the x and y and then add them together. And as I look at this, this is all set up for elimination because I've got -5 and +5y. So if I add my two equations right now, I'll have 14 equals 7x because the y's cancel out. Dividing by 7, I get x equals 2. So I'm halfway there. I can plug that in for x and get 6 minus 5y equals 8. Adding 5 and subtracting 8 from both sides, I get 5y equals -2. Dividing by 5, y equals -2 over 5. So now I'm going to add 2 plus -2/5. Well, I need a common denominator of 5. So I'm really looking at 10 over 5 minus 2 over 5. Well, that's 8 over 5, which would be B.